Creating a Dungeons & Dragons character for beginners can be an exciting adventure. Here's a concise guide. Choose a race. Start by selecting a race for your character. Common options include humans, elves, dwarves, and more. Each race comes with unique abilities and traits. Select a class. Pick a character class that suits your playstyle. Options include warrior-like classes, spellcasters, and versatile options. Each class has its own set of abilities and skills. Distribute ability scores. Allocate ability scores to your character. Roll dice or use point-buy systems based on your DM's rules. Choose background. Select a background that adds depth to your character's story. Backgrounds provide skills, equipment, and role-playing hooks. Generate personality. Create a backstory and personality for your character. Consider their motivations, flaws, and goals. This will help you roleplay effectively. Select equipment. Acquire starting equipment based on your class and background. Weapons, armor, and items are essential for your character's adventuring. Customize appearance. Imagine your character's appearance, including their clothing, armor, and distinguishing features. Alignment and ideals. Determine your character's alignment and their core beliefs or ideals. Character name. Choose a name that reflects your character's race and background. Finalize character sheet. Record all your character details on a character sheet, including abilities, skills, hit points, and inventory. Consult the Dungeon Master. Share your character concept with the Dungeon Master to ensure it fits the campaign setting and rules. Join the adventure. With your character ready, embark on epic adventures with your fellow players.